How to create a new space in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new one. First of all, open the application. Now, as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, you can see this icon. Simply tap on this icon, and here there's an option called Create a Space. Simply tap on Create a Space. So here you'll be able to add titles, different icons, description, and an AI prompt. So it's up to you. So you can write a new title here, add your description, and add an AI prompt. Later you'll be able to use it whenever you want. So here you can use it for writing different SEO related things, and here you can use it for your homework or even works from your office, and you must not worry about other things or getting the data deleted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.